Our main goal is to teach people healthy, sober leisure. A big part of addiction is leisure time was used for using. So at Marworth, our recreation therapy program is really geared in on how to have fun sober. It's using recreational activities as a therapeutic intervention to help strengthen someone emotionally, physically, spiritually. Everything from arts and crafts to nature hikes to basketball, ropes course activities, a variety of activities, just using them to bring out the strengths in people.
A lot of the times in addiction, people are in isolation. They barely interact or reach out for help in any way. But recreation therapy, it really does help us just get out of ourselves, learn to interact with other people, and become comfortable once again with reaching out, with the helping hand.
Yep, there you go. Then use that yellow.
We call it the wall of addiction. So we have people think of some of their actual walls, like whether it's trust or whether it's guilt or shame, revolving around active addiction. And we simulate that if you could conquer this, then try and imagine, make an analogy to these other walls you want to get over in recovery. And it doesn't matter if a person makes it 2 feet or 30 feet all the way up to the top. It's about making the attempt to take the risk and try the challenge.
They've even shared that when they are working out, that the natural release of the healthy endorphins and the flow of their body, it just helps them.
You can see the enjoyment. You can see that they really surprise themselves that by taking themselves out of that comfort level and just kind of pushing through, they realize it's not so bad to rely on other people. If anything, it's a boost in self-esteem. They feel valued, they feel connected, they feel part of something very special and very important, and I'm honored to play a role in that. I really am.
The biggest thing is we just want them to be able to be happy and have a happy leisure life.